Get rid of belly fat quickly with this simple drink. Belly fat is not only unsightly, but also increases the risk of your health hazards including blood pressure, diabetes, dementia, even cancer. To lose belly fat, we want to tell you that this is not hard. You might have tried every method, but nothing seems to work on that belly fat, right? Don't worry, we have a solution that certainly works for you. Today, we will show you how it is possible you can lose belly fat only with a simple drink made by 100% natural ingredients. This drink will help you get rid of that unwanted belly fat without the need to spend hours in the gym, stop eating what you like, or have to undergo expensive surgical treatments. Whether you're a female or male, this simple drink will certainly work for you. Preparing this drink is very simple. You just need to prepare a glass jug and add the ingredients. Firstly, lime or lemon. Use what is available in your kitchen. Both lime and lemon are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that's been shown to slash levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that triggers hunger and fat storage. But that's not all. They are rich in polyphenols that Japanese researchers say may ward off fat accumulation and weight gain. Cut your limes and add 5 tablespoons of lime juice into the jug. You can put a strainer on top of the jug to avoid lime seeds falling into the jug. Second ingredient, ginger powder. Ginger aids in colon cleansing, helping you to get rid of harmful toxins while promoting healthy digestion. By increasing digestive efficiency with diet, you can shed extra fat and boost metabolism, and thus make weight loss much easier and effective, including the stubborn belly fat that is harder to lose than fat in other areas of your body. Add 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of ginger powder to the jug. The next ingredient, turmeric powder. You also add 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to the jug. This ingredient has certain anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body, which is one of the factors causing overweight. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, helps stimulate metabolic rate, suppresses your appetite, and helps to melt excess fat. Set this jug aside. And now you need to prepare 1 liter of water. Then, pour the water into the saucepan. Put the saucepan of water on the stove and you will need to boil this water. When the water starts boiling, turn off the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, Pour all the water into the jug that contains 4 ingredients that you have prepared before that. Stir everything and your burnt fat drink is ready to use. Don't add sugar in this drink. Instead, you can add 1 tablespoon of stevia to sweeten the drink. Drink this drink during the day as long as you find it necessary. And the first result will come in 10 days.